Don't move, don't move. Cut hair, cut. Behavior gitu siya.
Ano siya? Sumi na sa akong likod.
Pero magbot kaya no. Cut, cut, cut hair, cut hair. Cut the hair. Wow, scissor. Okay na. Don't move, don't move. Stop. Don't move. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, man. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay.
Cut pa naman mo.
Cut ang hair, cut. It's okay, it's okay. Cut your hair. Cut
It's okay, it's
your
okay.
hair.
Daddy's here, no?
Oh, Daddy's there. Sige, tata na lang.
Dito
tata.
ba?
It's okay, it's okay.
Hmm?
Dito tayo.
Dito, dito.
Lipat natin dito.
Ah, dito? Ganyan?
Yeah.
It's okay. No more. It's okay, man. Tata is here. Oh, okay.
Wala,
Hold lang,
ano
hold.
si tata ng buhok mo?
Oh, hold lang, hold. Hold, tata lang, hold. You want to watch? You want to watch Bowser? Johnny. How about Johnny? You want to watch Johnny? Yeah? How about Johnny?
Sige yan.
Oh, sige, sige.
Bruno.
Watch the Johnny. Watch Johnny here. Watch Johnny. Watch Johnny here. Here na. Sing Johnny Lee. Ayan na naman. Johnny.
May damit pa ba siyang iba? Wala na. Yan lang.
Sige, kunin na.
Meron naman. Gusto mo kunin ko na lang yung damit mo. Kunin na lang.
Kasi hindi ako makapag-work dito yun.
Kunin na yung mga.
Meron pala siyang damit sa loob.
Say hi, say hi.
Galing to sa church pa yun.
Hi.
Nakatulog na kasi.
Good job. Sing na, Johnny. Johnny, yes, Papa. Here, watch now. I'm still standing here and okay, wait. Skip ad. Kaya kung saan to yun. It's okay. Skip ad. Push.
Gusto mo bang gamitan ko ng ano? Or okay lang yung trim na ganyan? Yung XM na lang natin to?
Pwede naman. Kahit anong mas, ano sa'yo, friend.
Or gusto mo mas maiksi pa dyan?
Iyamak na lang. Gamitan mo na yan. Ganun.
Okay lang.
Para masanay din siya. Para ano.
Pero
Oh, here,
mamaya
dali.
yan kasi
Come here, Tommy. Watch lang, watch. Watch. Watch.
Try natin.
I'm still standing. Yeah. I'm still standing. Yeah. Gusto mo kape?
Oh, grabe ba? Picturean ko nga itong mga assistant na to. May nagla-lights pa eh.
Tilt head gano'n.
Ayan, here. Look down. Down.
Picturean ko behind the scenes.
Down.